Hello, this is Matthias for mamoworld.com, and in this tutorial I will show you how to use the sound effects included in Squash and Stretch for After Effects, not only inside of After Effects, but also, for example, in Adobe Audition and Premiere Pro. Squash and Stretch is a tool for creating exciting animations in After Effects in no time. But it's not only about animation. It also comes with lots of sound effects. Even the free version that I have open here includes almost 100 free sound effects that you can use like any normal stock sound effects collection. The access to the audio files is a little bit hidden. To find them, you need to open the Squash and Stretch preferences and click this button to open the Bundles folder in macOS Finder or Windows Explorer. Squash and Stretch Pro can be extended with extra bundles that contain additional behaviors and sound effects. And if you have any of those installed, you will find them all listed here. But since I only have the free version here, I only see the free bundle. You can open this folder now, and inside the Sounds subfolder, you can find all the WAV files of all included sound effects. As you can see, they are grouped conveniently in different categories, like deformation, impacts, and whooshes. A very convenient way to browse and import sound effects is to use our extension QuickImporter, which runs in After Effects, Premiere Pro, and also Audition. Let's say I want to use the sound effects in Premiere Pro. So, in Premiere Pro, we go to Window Extensions QuickImporter, and now we need to enter here the location where QuickImporter should look for the audio file. On Windows, we can copy and paste the path directly here from the address bar of Windows Explorer. On macOS, we control-click the folder and choose Get Info, and then we can copy the path listed here. When we paste the path in QuickImporter, it scans the entire content of the folder and its subfolders and lists the results here. If we hover over the icons, the files are played immediately. This makes it very easy to find the sound effect we need. We can also search for keywords. Let's look for some impact sounds. As you can see, I just need to type imp, and already while I am typing, QuickImporter updates the results to match our search. Now let's refine the search and also enter ball. As you can see, now it lists all ball sounds in the impacts folder. If we found the file we need, we can simply click this icon to import the file. And again, this does not only work in Premiere Pro, but also in After Effects and Audition in exactly the same way. That's it for today. If you want to get the free version of Squash and Stretch, you can download it at aescripts.com/squashandstretch. Again, this is Matthias for mamoworld.com. I hope you liked this tutorial and see you next time.